Welcome to Chateau. By now you've seen the dramatic photo of the perfect image of what Chateau means to us. A great place to keep your important stuff and a really cool place to work. Now let's explore Chateau's Picklist builder. You are backstage in the builder, so access is restricted to just the person classified as the builder who has a special password. So now we're going to log in. We're going to expand. And we're going to notice that the builder is divided into two parts, rules and pick lists. In this exploration, we're going to focus on the pick list, which come preloaded with a full array of options. The first important thing the pick list builder does is enable you to customize your pick list in order to establish options and controls for the day-to-day management of your LDAR program. Under each one of these categories, there's a total of 50 unique pick lists. Let's look at some specific examples. Under component, you have insulation. If you want to characterize the amount of insulation or the quality of the insulation, you can use a pick list like this. You can hide any one of these options. You can add additional options. And at the end, you save this pick list, and it is what your users have to work with. The same for sizes. No more typing in sizes or handwriting in sizes or using a handheld to record sizes. You can control the sizes that are used by editing this pick list. Under inspections, you have the ability to enable your technicians to characterize why they were not able to follow method 21 on any given component in an optional field called M21 variants. Here again, you can hide any one of these. You can add options to this. At the end of the day, you're in control of the choices that your technicians have and the quality and the condition of the data that they're collecting. Under leaks, a good example is closing leaks. You could take the position that the only reason why a leak is ever going to get closed in your program is because it had a passing ppm reading, in which case you would simply hide all these other choices. Or you may say if a component is deactivated or if it is bypassed and purged, then we will allow a leak to be closed for that reason. You might decide that any one of these reasons is a good one, or that there are even others. The most important thing is Chateau gives you the ability to control what choices are given to your users and encourages them to think about this the way you think about it. Under DORs, Chateau is going to enable you to establish who the DOR managers are and then require that one of these named people, of course whoever's name you put in this pick list, to be as responsible for deciding that a specific component has been put on DOR. As far as profile is concerned, probably the most important data change that occurs in Chateau is when a component is activated, reactivated, or deactivated. And this is the pick list builder that gives you control over the options that are available to your users when that important LDAR event takes place. And then finally, under component types, you will have complete control over component types, subtypes, and sub-subtypes. You may decide that you want your connectors and your flanges to have this many different choices at the sub-sub level. Once again, the pick list builder enables you to assume control and then have an influence when those transactions occur. There's the pick list builder. Thanks for exploring Chateau with us. The most important question is, how can we make it better?